Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and if you are looking for a dehumidifier, this video might just be for you. So this company right here reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of our dehumidifier, what it does, the sizing, the specs, really all the features, especially if it's quiet or not while you're sleeping. And so of course I said yes, but in no way whatsoever this being provided to me affect this review because I am just here to keep it real. The first thing to note is the size. So the width on this all the way out to the very edge is 8 inches this way. It is right at 6.5 deep this way. And then the height is right at 14 inches vertical this way. So the extension cord is right at about 6 feet long. So you have an idea of where you can plug this in. And it's very simple to use. It has just 1, 2, or 3 buttons. So this is plugged in, but it's not turned on, and so you have the flashing light there. There is also a sleep mode, and then there's an option to turn off the included LED ambient light. Now the light will rotate in the first mode. It starts off purple, it goes to blue, now it's green, and it will slowly transition from a variety of different colors, just to kind of give sort of an ambient lighting to the room. With a click of a button, you can save it on that light color. So in this situation, light is green, you heard the beeping sound, and now it's going to stay in that green color. So if you are very color specific and you want it to be on a certain color, you have the option to do that. Very, very cool. It does have a sleep mode. When you hit the sleep mode, you can see the light automatically turns off, and it goes into a quiet mode. So here, hopefully the microphone can pick this up, but you can hear the fan is very quiet as it is, but when you go into sleep mode, you'll hear the noise go a little bit lower just for that sleep, more quiet experience. And the volume of the fan drops considerably. From an efficiency standpoint, this will extract about 4.6 cups of water every 24 hours, which is about 1,100 milliliters. The capacity on the water tank is right at 95 ounces. It also comes with a built-in automatic turn-off, so when the water gets to a certain level, so it doesn't overflow, it automatically will shut off and alert you that it needs to be dumped out. You can put it back in. And from an energy consumption, this thing is very efficient at only 80 watts. And that is with the high-speed blades going in the daytime mode. So if you're looking for a dehumidifier that has quite a massive volume that can run for almost 3 days before needing to be refilled, has an ambient light that you can choose from, and has a quiet sleep mode. It's actually pretty dang quiet. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.